Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Rater. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/theramenrater and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Rater, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got another box from Umai Crate. These are sold by japancrate.com. Hey, you can go over there, use the coupon code the Ramen Rater, and get yourself a discount. They're full of all sorts of noodle-related Japanese things and some bonus items and stuff. So let's crack this open. The June 2020 Umai Crate. Okie dokie. So the first thing we check out is this. This is the Informational Pamphlet. As you can see, it's the June 2020 Umai Crate. This will give you information about everything you're going to find in this box. If you don't read Japanese or know how to decipher the pictograms on the sides of Japanese ramen and other food products on their preparation, you won't know what it is, you won't know how to cook it, and you'll be kind of in trouble. So make sure that you do not lose this. They also include a recipe card. Alright, so I'm going to go through everything and grab things out willy-nilly, and let's check them out. Alright, so it's the first thing we got here, rather interesting packaging, is Okina Harusame. Harusame are rice vermicelli noodles. It can be used and added to all kinds of foods like soups, salads, etc. It can be a healthy and filling touch to any meal. Next up, we've got some Itomen Yakisoba. Soba is a common food menu item that is served hot or cold in Japan in tachugi, stand and eat shops. Enjoy this hot soba on a cool summer night and enjoy the rich flavors of soy sauce and bonito in the broth and the noodles made from yams. And back for another swing, we've got Kinchan Bukkake Udon. Different from most udons and served in a warm broth, this bowl is splashed with a flavorful sauce of bonito and seaweed that's perfect for summertime. Here's another one from Itomen. This is their seafood and vegetable miso ramen. Enjoy flavorful miso and seafood ramen with this pack. Amp it up with your favorite sauteed protein/veggies to make an extra filling meal. And here's one from Kenko Foods. This is their healthy food shio ramen. An Umai Crate fave is back. Enjoy the taste of shio, salt ramen, without the guilt in this healthy version from Kenko Foods. Next up, small Newman soy sauce. This bowl of Newman somen noodles in hot soup, although small, packs a punch of yummy shoyu flavor. So I'm thinking this one is kind of made to go along with the harasame noodle I mentioned right off the bat. This is japchae sauce. This soy sauce-based stir-fry sauce packs an umami punch of gochujang, seafood, and garlic. Add to your favorite cooked noodles, meats, and veggies, and you're in for a tasty meal. And finally, we have Umakaro vegetable soy sauce ramen. Enjoy your veggies with this tasty bowl of vegetable ramen. The noodles soak up a soy sauce-based broth and mix well with any leftover vegetables you have to add. And now it's time for the bonus item. The bonus item this month is Charoful Doraemon. In the shape of Doraemon's face, this fish-based item is used for food decoration and toppings to your meals. It can be used for any meal, but it's most popular in Japan for making charobon, character bentos, for children's lunches. Try it with curry noodles, salads, soups, and rice. Add your favorite foods and enjoy. Alright, so in this, the June 2020 Umai Crate, you get Ramen, japchae sauce, healthy shio ramen, vegetable ramen, bukkake, yakisoba, Doraemon treats, seafood miso, harosame noodle, a recipe card, and your informational pamphlet. Alright, cool. Well, hey, thanks for watching. If you want to grab one of these boxes, this looks like a pretty good one. Head on over to japancrate.com and use that coupon code TheRamenRater for a special discount. Alright, well, hey, thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.